Hey everybody, Richard here with Camel City Roofing. Today I wanted to quickly discuss the key components that go into a roof system. And over here, as you can see, camera's following me, which is awesome. We built this little mock-up display right here. And so the first thing is what you consider the roof deck. That's going to consist of what's showing on this corner, which would be OSB or something like this, which is a piece of 1/2-inch CDX plywood. That's basically going to be considered your roof deck. Now after that, we're going to have something that we just install on the roof edge. And that's going to be this drip edge metal. What that's going to do is protect the bottom edge of your plywood deck and allow water to roll off of that and not hit the wood edge and roll down into your gutters. Now what we do after we install a drip edge is we install this product right here, which is an ice and water shield. You know, an ice and water shield underlayment is it's got a sticky backing, and so when you peel off the plastic layer that's underneath, that will actually stick to the plywood deck, and it prevents ice or water from being able to back up and actually hit the plywood decking or OSB decking on your roof. The next item that we put down after we install the ice and water shield is the synthetic underlayment. So the synthetic underlayment will go over the remaining portions of your roof deck. So this here is a product made by CertainTeed. It's called Roof Running. The synthetic underlayment, 100 times better than your basic felt paper underlayments. You can't rip it, you can't tear it. The product that we actually have on this roof sample here is the IKO brand that we install on a lot of roofs. So we try to use the system products, whether it's IKO or CertainTeed, depending on what roofing system we're installing. We'll usually try to match up that product to that. The next item that you're going to have is your starter shingle. So that's going to be going right along the bottom row of your roof. What's the first shingle you actually install? It's got a sealant strip along the bottom, so that seals your bottom row of your architectural shingles to this, and it helps prevent wind uplift. The next item is actually going to be your shingles. So those are going to go on your roof. This particular product right here, this one is a CertainTeed shingle. I've actually got IKO on the roof, so I'm trying to demonstrate both. But right here is your architectural shingle. This one here is the Landmark. This one that we actually got on the display here is the IKO Dynasty. So those are our two favorite brands and shingles that we like to use. The Landmark Pro from CertainTeed and the IKO Dynasty. The next item. So far, we've got roof deck, you've got your drip edge, you've got your ice and water shield, you've got your synthetic underlayment, you've got your starter shingles, you've got your field shingles, which are these, in this case, are the architectural shingles. Another thing that you'll hear discussed about a roof is you'll have some sort of roof penetration. And so over here, just a quick example, we've got your bathroom pipe vent coming up, PVC pipe coming up through the roof. And right here is our pipe jacks that we've installed, ran the shingles around, and so there you go. There's your pipe flashing. You've got what's installed on the ridge. So your ridge is where your two roof lines meet at a point, and that's where we install a ridge vent. So your ridge vent, usually a 4-foot plastic strip, like this example here. It folds over the ridge like that, which allows for ventilation of your attic. So the air will come up, hit your ridge vent, exhaust out the sides. And then the last item after we install those ridge vents, we've got to install a ridge cap shingle. So the ridge cap shingles over top of the 4-foot ridge vents. So this here, an example of a piece of ridge cap. So you've got your ridge vent, the ridge cap shingles are placed over top of the ridge vent, allowing for it to look a whole lot better because you get the actual look of the shoemakers and you're not looking at a plastic strip on top of the rig. But there you go. So quick rehash of what I just said. You've got your roof deck, you've got your drip edge, you've got your ice and water shield, you've got your synthetic underlayments, your starter shingles, your field courses of your architectural shingles, you got a roof penetration, pipe boot, you've got your ridge vent, and your ridge cap. I know it was kind of a quick display of everything, but just wanted to briefly go over some of the key components of your roof system. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.